story is called The Farmer's Lazy Boys. Once upon a time, there lived a hard-working farmer. Day after day, he would spend it at the farm. Now he was growing old, but he had no one to give the farm to, because his two boys were incredibly, absolutely lazy. They wouldn't lift a finger to do even an ounce of work. The farmer grew sick. As he lay on his deathbed, he told his sons, Come close. I have a secret to tell you. I have buried a treasure in our land. Dig it up, and you will never have to work again. The boys were ecstatic. An opportunity to get a treasure! A treasure! A treasure! We'll never have to work again, said one of the boys. Oh, how wonderful it'll be once we dig up the land and find the treasure. We can laze around all day long. We'll have so much money. So they rushed to the farm, and day after day, week after week, month after month, they dug the land deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper, and all the land was dug up. But they hadn't found any treasure. But there was supposed to be a treasure. I thought we would never have to work again. Where's the treasure? There was supposed to be a treasure. The boy's mother talked some sense into them. You've gone and dug up the whole land. Do you know how many seeds you can sow and plants and crops you can grow? I suppose now that we've gone and dug it up. So the boys set to work. They buried many seeds into the soil. In a few months, the plants began to grow and grow and grow and grow. The boys would take the fruits and vegetables and sell them in the market and earn good amounts of money. Finally, they understood the real treasure their father had left for them. It was the land and the ability to do hard work and earn healthy fruits and vegetables and then earn money. So, the moral of the story is that the real treasure is in you. Thank you. Like, share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.